Alright, this car crashed into me and he's trying to race. He's trying to speed up. Bro, I fucking caught you. You're fucked,
Listen, I'm
bro.
on your shit now.
Bro, you're fucked.
Listen. Where's Ting? Where's Ting?
Look at him, he's fucked, bro.
No, I'm not.
Bruv.
This guy, bruv.
Bruv.
This guy, bruv.
Car, bruv.
My dad.
Bro. You fuck. Bro, you didn't have to drive off, bro.
No,
Bro, what the fuck? Bro, he tried to skate off and caught him, fam. Bro, he tried to skate off and caught him, fam. You're fucking drunk, bro.
Listen, are you really him? You're not him, man.
You know I'm him, bro.
Yeah, I know you.
But you're drunk, bro.
I know,
And
but
you
wait.
just crashed into the back of me. You shouldn't even be driving like this, bro. It's dangerous, bro. You just rammed into the back of me on a motorway, bro. Bro, that could have been a lot different, bro. You know what I'm saying? You're fucked.